Hey everybody, this is Nico in Meko Photography, and today I'm gonna do a DIY video how to make the box for Photo Studio, the white box that you guys can see sometimes on Photo Studio. So I'm gonna do a project. I buy some supplies from Home Depot. That stuff that if somebody have tools in home who can wanna build it. So instead ordering once. I'm gonna do it from zero. I'm actually gonna build it. I'm gonna show you the tools I'm guys gonna use, so you can guys maybe if you want you can make your own project and build it yourself. So let's dive into it. Want to show you the tools that I find. This is 2 by 2 feet plywood I find in Home Depot. To build a square I got 6 of them right here, and also I'm gonna use some wood for support. I actually did cut them in Home Depot, so it perfectly be 2 feet. It's gonna be like my main support, and primer, spraint, wood filler, and to smooth it off the edges, a driller, and we're gonna use some screwdriver and some silicone just to fill the edges. And let's begin it. Really strong. So we had some little bit miscalculation because we did 2 by 2, but for some reason maybe they cut it unevenly. So we're just gonna fill all these gaps with silicone. Next step, plastic wood. We're gonna fill it up. It's a pink color. Yes. Alright, so we will leave it for the night to the glue, silicone glue to get dry. Now we actually gonna sand it, and after we finish sanding it, it's gonna be ready for the paint. So you can see here, this is my sand, and what we're gonna do, we just scratch and make sure it's all nice to be painted. So now we're gonna do primer first, and then we're gonna put our coating on it. Okay, so we decided also to make it more better, because with the spray paint it didn't work well. So what we did, we actually used a roller, and with the roller we got way better results than the spray paint. So the color actually come out much more amazing on our box. Show you guys. So how does it look, the final work. I'm amazed with the job. It looks way better. So in the end we have to invest more on roller paint. It actually works way better than using a spray paint. So I'm happy with the results, and I think this is what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna use for this box now for my next modeling shots, portrait shots. I'm gonna show you the final results. So guys, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for my YouTube channel if you like my ideas, and if you guys want to get some more tips and advice. So how much we guys saved today on this box, a total estimate, I'm gonna show it up in the video below. I believe it costs about $120. the whole thing cost me, and I save a lot of money because in Etsy we'll estimate about $160 before shipping fees, and that guys can save you much more money if you actually build it yourself from using just from Home Depot or your local Home Depot supplier that you guys have. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope to see you the next time.